Hello, good morning. Good morning. Our topic for today about Kia. The issue is during ignition on, the starter is engaged itself even in the ignition on only position. Supposed to be during ignition on, the starter is not engaged. So the starter is born undamaged because even in the engine is running, the starter is connecting to the flywheel. So uh, customer already replaced the starter, but still issue. Okay guys, please subscribe my channel before I continue, and then I will explain to you how to fix and how to find this issue. Okay guys, this is our ignition cylinder. Down here, this is the ignition switch. Okay, so this is mechanical housing, and this one is ignition switch. Okay, I will show to you, then I will use this lamp to check the circuit. This is our ignition cylinder. Now this is our ignition cylinder. Now my key is in the off position or lock position. Supposed to be this green and blue, this battery. Even this ignition off, so this two wire, green and blue, the 12 volts is still always there. Okay, I will show to you. See, they have 12 volts ignition position. Okay, and this one also green. Yeah, also they have. Now I put in ignition position. Now ignition position. This is the two wire. The yellow is ignition 1 and the orange ignition 2, and this red is going to the starter relay, and the white is accessories. Now these two were supposed to be they have ignition. Okay, I will put again orange. See, they have. Okay, we will transfer to yellow. Just wait. This light is not good. Yeah, they have also 12 volts, right? Now we will proceed to this red. That red is going to the starter relay. Supposed to be during ignition on. During ignition on, supposed to be there's no 12 volts. Look at this probe. I will show to you. See, they have 12 volts. That red is going to the starter relay. That's why the issue only this ignition switch. Your cylinder, don't replace this. This is okay. Okay. That's why the problem, the starter motor is born because even the engine is running, the starter engaged to the flywheel. Because this one, the piece box and the release is okay. Already customer replaced twice the starter motor. Okay guys, thank you. I will continue this my video. I will give you some information also about the ignition switch. This is the ignition switch. This switch is faulty, or inside the internal circuit is shorted. Now this is the position of our connector of our ignition switch. Look, the guide same, right? Okay, number one, we will start this side is accessory, or we will start the left side, huh? Here, this is our ignition 1. Okay, that one, and the top our ignition 2, and this one battery 2, and this one battery 1, and this side is accessory, and this one starting. During starting position must be this one with 12 volts coming out. During accessories and ignition, supposed to be there's no 12 volts coming this side. Okay, I will put the wire and then light, and then I will turn this switch. Okay, position, accessories, ignition on. See, the light is on. Supposed to be this start position, not coming light during ignition switch ignition. So the problem, this inside is defective or shorted, this ignition switch. Okay, thank you.